Now, let's set up your Park Vista for windy conditions. Option 1. Remove the tensioner from the foot press. Tether the long cords 5 feet directly in front of each pole. Insert the stake through the loop at the end of the long cord. Press into the ground at a 45-degree angle away from the shade. Pull the tensioners tight to create an arch. Secure the second side. Option 2. Attach the mesh side panels. Zip on the mesh panels starting at the top. Insert the stake through the loop at the end of the long cord. Press into the ground at a 45-degree angle away from the shade. Secure the second side. Now kick back and enjoy.